There are already a ton of ways to exchange contact info. You can add someone to your phone, connect on LinkedIn, drop them into a CRM, or just swap business cards. But the problem is none of those systems really help you remember who the person actually was or what you talked about. And if you go to conferences or networking events where you can easily meet a dozen people in a day, or you just meet a lot of people face to face for work, it becomes almost impossible to remember everything afterward. Because saving the contact is pretty much useless if you don't have the context to reach out meaningfully after. And that's the gap this app Connect Machine is trying to solve. When you save a contact, you can jot down where you met and record notes to yourself so you remember what you discussed. It also lets you create multiple business cards so you can keep your personal life, work, and anything else you're involved in separate. Let me show you how it works. So Connect Machine is an app you install on your phone, and if you click the link below, it'll automatically take you to the App Store if you're on Apple, or the Play Store if you're on Android, and you can install it in a few seconds. It's completely free to try, and you can scan up to 3 physical business cards, and you actually can create 4 business cards for yourself. And you get all these other features. And once you install the app, creating your account is super easy. Just hit get started, and you can create your account with your email address, or you can use your phone number, which is what I recommend, because I'm gonna show you something really cool you can do with WhatsApp that requires your phone number. So after creating your account, you'll see that Connect Machine has created a number of different business cards for you. And so it does that by default. It creates a few. And so you can see I have business here, and then I have personal, and I have friends and family and VIP. And you can edit and create new business cards as you like. And this is just so you can keep all your contact information and your business cards separate for everything you do in your life, whether that's your work, if you have a side business, if you maybe volunteer somewhere, or you have other initiatives you're involved in. You can have different business cards for each personality or persona in your life. So if you want to add a new business card, just hit the plus button and you can fill in all the relevant information. And if you want to edit an existing one, just hit the pencil icon and you can see everything here. So you can include a picture, you can have your logo here, you can have a background if you'd like, and of course you have all your business contact info right here, and you can choose your branding, and you can even add your calendar if you want people to be able to book time on your calendar. And then when you're ready, you can actually preview it and you'll see what it looks like for someone previewing your card. And so you can have separate contact information for each of these. So maybe you don't share your personal phone number on your business contacts, maybe you have a separate work phone number, and then maybe for your personal contacts you do include it, and so on and so forth. You can have different business cards, completely independent. So once you've created your business cards and you're ready to share them, you just have to hit this icon here on the appropriate card you want to share. And there's quite a few different ways you can share it. So first, you can of course copy a link and just send a link, or you can share it with any of the networks you see here. But probably the most practical way in an in-person scenario is just to let them scan this QR code. So you just open the app and bring out this QR code and they scan it. And when they do, their phone will open them up to this page right here where they can save your contact, and they don't need Connect Machine in order to save your contact. It's just gonna save directly to their address book. Now, something else handy you can do is actually add it to your Google or Apple wallet. And when you do that, then you'll actually have a business card that you can just quickly pull up. So this way you don't even have to open the Connect Machine app. You can even save this as like your wallpaper if you want. And you can just use one of the quick retrieval options on your phone. A lot of phones have buttons on the side where you can just tap twice and pull up your wallet. And so you can just pull that up in a conference setting really easy. And then they just scan your QR code and you're good to go. So that's how you share your contact info. But where Connect Machine really shines is when you're getting someone else's contact info. So let's say someone else gives you their physical business card. So with Connect Machine, you can actually just hit the scan button at the bottom, hit paper card, and then just scan the card right here with this button here. And then Connect Machine is going to start actually detecting the card, reading the card information, and it's going to add everything right there. Then you can just say create. And now one of the first things you get to do here is you can actually write yourself a short note about the person, or you can record one. Like you could say met at design conference, or anything else you'd like. And what's probably cooler is you can actually record a voice note. Louisa needs help with her automation for the work they're doing, contractor work they're doing, or something like that, right? I'm just making something up here, but the point being is you can just record a voice note here, and you can just save it and then save it right there. And now you can see the notes you made, and you can even listen to the voice note you made. And also you get to record where you met, right? And so you can use an address. So let's say this was the location, and it would detect it. So if you're at the conference or at whatever location you're at, it's going to automatically add where you met for you. And you can even add an event like, say, design conference. So now this is so much more than just saving to your phone book or adding them on LinkedIn or Instagram or something. You actually have a note for what you should do immediately after, so you remember what you and that person talked about. So when you go back to your office, you can follow up with meaningfully. You can write notes, you can record voice notes, and you remember where exactly you met. Because if you go to conferences or networking events or anyone who meets a lot of people, you know how it feels when you get back to your desk either the next day or at the end of the day. You go back to your hotel room and you've met like 15, 20 people, and you want to send your follow-ups, and your brain is mush. All the names blend together. You got this stack full of business cards and you're like, wait, what did I talk to each of these guys about? So yeah, this really helps with that problem. And you can also record any other additional information you want about them. Just hit the three dots, go to edit, and you can add an additional email or a phone number. You can even add their websites, any social profiles. And one field I really like here is the custom field, which lets you add anything else you want. Let's say you have a specific link they gave you, or if you want to add some specific information that's tailored to your process about each lead or something else like that, then you can add this custom note to yourself and you can pull that up. Now, one other really cool feature is you can actually record and transcribe the entire meeting. So if you hit this button here, you can actually record the whole conversation. So of course you would get their consent, and if they're cool with it, you can just hit the record button, put the phone down in front of you both, and just have your conversation, and everything will be recorded and transcribed. And of course, that's not the only way you can add contacts. Let me show you a few other ways really quickly. Of course, you can just manually add contacts, hit the plus button here and fill in the info. You can also import contacts from your phone book, from your Google Contacts, or you can import it here with a CSV or VCF file. But probably the coolest way to add contacts is through their WhatsApp integration. And so you'll see here at the top, there's a few banners, and so you just hit snap, send, and save. So when you see that one, and what this is going to do is open up a conversation with Connect Machine in your WhatsApp. And now all you need to do is just hit that camera button and take a picture of the card and just send it. And Connect Machine will now start analyzing the card and add it to the database. You can see got your image, scanning it now, and it'll be adding it to your Connect Machine. So you don't even need to open Connect Machine. You can actually just use your camera and just take a picture from WhatsApp. And this is really handy if you want to just snap quick pics of the cards as you go, and then at the end of the day you can just send it to Connect Machine with the attachment if you don't want to even take the picture in WhatsApp directly. Now, if you like this feature and you want to use it regularly, you can of course add Connect Machine to your WhatsApp contact list. And if you're wondering, the way this works is it actually detects the phone number you're WhatsApping from, and it connects it with the phone number you created your Connect Machine account with. And that's why I said make sure you use your phone number so that you can use this feature. And this is a private conversation between you and Connect Machine, just like when you message somebody else, no one else can see it. So your contacts aren't being sent somewhere publicly. It's just a private connection between you and Connect Machine. And so it said that it created Mateo as a contact. So if we go into contacts, we can now see Mateo right here, and we can see it extracted all his information. Now, one other way you can easily create contacts is just to ask the AI to do it for you. So if you just hit the AI button down here and go to ask, you can select add a contact here, and it's going to then ask you the information for you to just give it. So it would say provide the name, email, and phone number, and it'll create the contact for you. So just give it the details. And this is actually Connect Machine's AI concierge, and it can do quite a few different things for you. It can tell you today's calendar, what's going on, it can add contacts, it can share things, it can RSVP to events, can create business cards and help you do so many things like meetings and reminders and connection count. It can give you summaries of like who you've connected with, and you can see. So it can just help you with a lot of different things to help you understand your network. And of course, you could also just ask it questions like, where did I meet Luisa Garcia? Like the person we just scanned. And then we hit go, and it's going to do some work here to figure out who we're talking about. We met in Scarborough at the design conference, and it surfaces the contact for us. And so this is a handy way to sort of pull up people you might have spoken to where you remember a certain detail you jotted down, but you don't remember the person. And so the AI concierge can really help you find those people. And again, the whole promise of Connect Machine here is to try and make your network more actionable. Now from testing, I've noticed that the AI feature isn't completely perfect, and sometimes I find some inconsistencies with the AI responses, which kind of is always the case with AI, but it is a cool feature to have. And right now, when you record voice notes, it doesn't transcribe those notes, so the AI is not searching the voice notes you create within the contacts. And so I've actually given that feedback to the team, and they actually said that they're adding that feature, which would be really helpful and cool. So hopefully that's added really soon. And the team really is committed to improving the app, and you can see all the things they're working on their public roadmap. So that's how Connect Machine can help you do more than just exchange contact details. It gives you a way to save the person, add contacts, and remember why you met them so you can actually follow up meaningfully later. But who is this actually for? I think it makes the most sense if you meet a lot of people face to face. Conferences, networking events, client meetings, or really any situation where you're regularly exchanging details with new people. If you mostly work online or don't meet many people in person, this probably isn't something you need. But if you've ever come back from an event with a stack of business cards, a bunch of new LinkedIn connections, or a phone full of contacts that all start to blur together, then I can definitely see the value in something like this. The product is still evolving, especially around some of the AI features, but I like the direction it's heading, and it's continuing to get better at solving this problem. If you want to check it out for free, I'll leave a link below. And if you found this useful, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more tools and systems to help you build leverage in your business. And if you want to see 5 more productivity tools that can help you save more than 20 hours a week, check out this video right here. I'll see you in there.